Stable muscle growth is the dream of everyone. It's just that everyone goes to their dream in different ways. Some stubbornly believe in the existence of secret training complexes, magic proteins and gainers, as well as other magic tricks that can pump up muscles in one moment. If you are looking for such magic in this article, we must disappoint you. This material contains a set of rules which has been tested over the years. Only by observing them, you can see steady progress in muscle mass growth. Do not forget that to gain mass, you need specialized sports nutrition. This is because otherwise you cannot create the right diet for your body. Make sure your muscles have no time to get used to the exercises. The human body is designed in such a way that over time it will be able to get used to any type of load and muscle growth will stop. Vary your training complex as much as possible to shock the muscles. Growth is the most significant reaction of the body to the shock state of the muscles after physical exertion. Training should be short. You don't need to spend 3 hours in the gym for one workout. Muscle growth is based on a stimulating hormonal background in an athlete's body. It is known that after 45 minutes of physical activity, testosterone levels in athlete blood drop significantly. The body begins to secrete cortisol. If testosterone stimulates the burning of fat and the synthesis of new muscle fibers, then cortisol, on the contrary, stimulates the replacement of muscle tissue with fat. Training with different weights. Don't get hung up on heavy weights and low-intensity work. Similarly, don't focus too much on low weights and high intensity. Your main task is to maintain balance. It is him who will help you gain muscle mass. Basic exercises, stable relevance. Working with machines will provide you with effective isolation exercises, but without a base, you can forget about muscle growth. Our body structure is oriented to work in three-dimensional space. Free weights will not only provide a load for each muscle, but also help you work on balance and properly control the weight. Minimum cardio. Of course, you should not completely abandon running and other types of cardio. However, you should regard them and use them in your training program solely as a way to warm up before training. Otherwise, those hormones that the body releases for muscle growth will be used to support the cardiovascular system's active work. An effective technique is the key to success. Do not lose attention and concentration during training. Every movement should be clear and precise. You must move at the correct amplitude, because the smallest deviation is fraught with a serious decrease in the level of load on the muscle group. Believe me, even if you have to reduce the working weight in order to achieve the perfect technique, the results will be much better. Are you interested in another practical tip that will help you keep moving forward? A helpful tool to track your progress is a training log. The journal will not only help you memorize, control and plan, but also be a motivational stimulus. You will be more pleased with the result if you can compare it to where you started.